How come?
There you go, it's recording. It's just because if you do it sideways, it'll still film as if it's vertical. It makes it look weird. It's recording right now, so.
Okay, ready, guys? Here we go. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Up and reach, up and reach, and down, up, down, up, and point, up, and up, and round, and up, and back, turn around, and back, and into the V, down, up, down, down, up, point, round, switch, round, walk to the other V, 3, 4. Walk, open, go back, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, both sides, 1, 2, everyone in one line, face the corner, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, on your face, turn to your partner, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, go to one side, and go to your 3, 4, 5, 6. Then you go right to your ending pose. Okay. Well, you guys, you just need to be across on the other side.